I would caution schools not to make it that this is PBS and this is all this team that made this decision, because PBS is a much bigger picture than just a team. It's a school-wide initiative. So all the positive things that each team or organization or leadership or student council or whomever is doing, that's all positive behavior support. And that's, I think, the way that it needs to be approached. TBK and Challenge Day and all of that, that's leadership and Mr. Sherman. So the things that we do as a school, we do so many other initiatives where we have our Link Crew mentoring. We have mentoring just in general from our teachers, our transition mentoring. We have a lot of mentoring going on with our just teachers and students.
I think the two programs together are fantastic because all the kids, it was really actually kind of interesting to see. All the kids know what PBS is, and within a couple days, all the kids knew what TBK was. And all of a sudden around campus you start hearing TBK and PBS, and you start hearing both of it. And I think that TBK supports the ideas of PBS just because of the fact that they're both about positivity. And so you don't want to have a school where you have all these great things going on or so many people trying to do things. I think we all try and fix things in our own way, but if you have to look at what's already in place and decide what's going to support that thing that's already in place. You can't run off in another direction and then all of a sudden decide, oh hey, this is going to work, but it completely negates what you've already started. You want to build and complement other things that are happening already, and that way the students are less confused, the teachers are less confused, but your school has a common goal, and that's what it needs to be. It needs to be a common goal. And so when you combine two things that support each other, you're not doing anything except building a better program.